Hello, welcome to Farms to Families channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Let's prepare spinach waffles. Spinach waffles is a lovely addition for breakfast, and for people who are searching for a spicy waffle version, this is perfect. It's prepared with whole wheat, oats, chilies, ginger, and few spices. The batter is nice and thick. We can dilute the batter and use it as required. Batter comes in a Ziploc bag which can be easily stored in a freezer and used as required. To prepare the waffles, we need to heat the waffle iron. Lightly grease the waffle iron with butter. Dilute the batter with 2 tablespoons of water and add the batter directly to the waffle iron and bake them. All our batters, baked goodies, are delivered to your doorstep as per order. Do contact the WhatsApp number on the screen to place your orders. These waffles cook in less than 2 minutes and it's very healthy. You can either use butter or oil to grease your waffle iron and bake your waffles. Under 2 minutes, my waffles are done. If you want it extra crispy, you can flip it to the other side and bake it. Using these waffles, I'll be preparing waffle pizza. These waffles can be served as it is with chutney or with ketchup. For the mushroom pizza, I'll be using button mushrooms, which is sliced, finely chopped onion, butter, garlic powder, chili flakes, parsley, crushed peppercorns. This is going to be the topping for our pizza. I've heated a pan and added butter. Before the butter burns, we'll be adding the finely chopped onion. We'll saute till the onion turns light and transparent. To the onions, we'll be adding the mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms in the butter and onion. We'll be adding the crushed peppercorns, salt, chili flakes and parsley. We'll also be adding the garlic powder. We'll fry all the ingredients. We've incorporated all the aromats in the mushroom. Allow the mushroom to fry and reduce. The mushroom will cook in its own moisture. Here you can see the mushroom has cooked. It roughly took me about 3 minutes to cook the mushroom. The excess moisture from the mushroom has completely evaporated. At this point, the topping for our pizza is ready. Simultaneously, We have also heated the waffle iron and prepared waffles for the waffle pizza. Once the waffles are done, we'll be plating the waffles. We have got the toppings ready. We require cheese, a combination of mozzarella and cheddar cheese which is grated, pizza sauce or any pasta sauce, parsley and oregano flakes, to handle our waffle pizza easily, I've cut the waffle diagonally. This will be convenient to pick it up and eat it. We'll spread the pizza or pasta sauce on the waffle. So in an even layer, the pasta sauce is applied on the waffle. Same goes for the mushroom. In an even layer, I'm topping the mushroom on the waffle. We'll top the waffle with cheese. And we'll sprinkle some oregano and parsley flakes on the top. These waffles can be microwaved for 2 minutes until the cheese melts. The pizza waffle is ready. It can be served as hot as possible and enjoyed with a cup of tea. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with the recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Do visit us on our website and social media, Facebook, Instagram. All the links to our social media will also be listed in the description box below this video. To order our batters, do call us on our WhatsApp number. The batters and baked goodies will be delivered to your doorstep. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.